Talk. I'll say action when I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Action.
Percy and the shovels and trucks. It's a beautiful day on down the Sodor. Percy was pushing along the tracks until he saw Rusty and the siding. Hello, Percy. Can I take half of your cars? Yes. Percy's driver hooked on a car to Rusty, and then Rusty was waiting on the tracks for Percy to move. Percy went on to his line, and then Rusty hopped away. Percy's so smart. So, he got off the car, Rusty stopped, and then he had a passenger car, and he puffed away. The end.
Good job, Zach.
Bye!